Meet Jane. She is busy preparing for an upcoming event. She has to create a landing page, link it to the CTA of her email campaigns, and then send it to everyone she knows. In the meantime, the user receives the mail, goes to the landing page, fills out the form, receives the confirmation email, and then forgets all about it. On event day, Jane wonders why the attendees are so low. She talks to the user and finds out that he forgot to attend the event. Introducing Mailmodo's Add to Calendar widget inside the email. Now Jane creates one email campaign in Mailmodo and inserts the Add to Calendar widget in the email template. The user receives the mail, clicks on the CTA, and the event is added to his calendar. No more landing pages, no redirects, and fewer drop-offs. Jane now gets higher registrations due to one-click registrations inside email and higher attendance due to Google Calendar notifications. Be like Jane. Boost your event registrations and attendance with Mailmodo today.